That's that piston crank swapped one. Blocking up some cherry. Looks like the wife or kids must have rolled that one out there, so I just cubed it up so she's got more chiblets to burn in her little burn pile. I pushed up a whole big, camera don't make that look very big, but it's, if you stand down and look to it, it's up to the second rib on that burn barrel. But I pushed that up for the grandkid. He was having a ball playing with his big dump truck I found for him on that. But I don't know, I think I'm going to send that out for testing. That thing's holding like 14.2, 13.8 in the cut. If I get this tack close enough to the plug, it will pick up without having it clamped on it. I like the fact that I can clamp this one and get readings, but I think I'm going to talk to a buddy and see if he wants to test that out. See if maybe he wants to run that at, Sawfest or something. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. You guys take it easy and have a good one.